Today we are again in the largest European health resort, the thermal baths of Abano and Montegrotto. We have already been here 3 times in the past. Esplanade Tergestio, Terme Prehistoric, Venezia Hotel SPA. Today, we will bring you to Terme di Relilax.
Girate qui a sinistra, attraversate il tunnel e accedete all'altra struttura. Grazie.
Grazie.
The origin of these spas dates back to 1890. The structure is divided into 2 distinct areas, the hotel and the spa. At the entrance, immediately after check-in, we find the first swimming pool on our right, the Ardisia Pool. It contains 400 square meters of millenary thermal water, enriched by the precious combination of sodium chloride, bromide, and iodide, at a temperature between 36 and 40 degrees Celsius, with a central hydromassage post and waterfalls on the wall for yet another possibility to massage and relax your muscles. A large glass partition opens onto the internal garden that hosts the Lou Palm pool, and on beautiful sunny days, there is a splendid view of the Euganian Hills. The water here is non-thermal, and it is heat in winter and cool in summer. The special floor in quartz sand reflects the sun, giving a golden suntan similar to the color you would get lying on a Caribbean beach. There are little islands of Brazilian stones in the pool, where you can sit and cool off during the hot summer, and in some points, there are soft slopes that recall the water's edge. Near the two swimming pools, there is a relaxation area. From the swimming pool area, it is then possible to reach the spa area through a passage inside the structure. In the spa area there are the mini pool ball, a small swimming pool which employs the same principle as the outdoor one, which is mineral water with magnesium and potassium. The biosauna, made of wood from mountain farmhouses, which has a temperature between 60 and 70 degrees and 40% humidity. The steam bath, a Finnish sauna, and several types of showers, among which we particularly liked the aromatherapy one. In the emotional labyrinth, you will walk over river pebbles, alternating hot and cold showers with chromotherapy. If you want to stay for a whole day at Relilax, there is also a restaurant where you can have lunch. The menu is not particularly varied, and the prices are not particularly attractive, but in line with what you can expect from a 5-star structure like this.
Perfetto, nessun problema. Grazie mille.
Sì, signori. Comprato. Un buon ciò. A noi, abbiamo anche i 35 anni di corallo.
Overall, we can say that the stay at the Relilax Spa was certainly a pleasant and relaxing experience in a classy environment that offers a superior quality service.
E questo invece che cosa sarebbe?